Hey guys, Andrew McFarlane here from StartAJuiceBar.com. Hope you guys are happy. Hope you're healthy. Hope you're inspired to launch your businesses or grow your existing businesses. Today, I'm going to talk about your juice pulp. What do you do with it? Here's some ideas and just ways to think about this valuable resource that a lot of people just throw in the trash. Okay, before I dive in, if you guys are new to the channel, you don't know who I am, you don't know what we do. Over the last decade, myself and our company has had the pleasure of running our own juice businesses, as well as supporting hundreds of entrepreneurs all around the world launch and scale successful juice bars, healthy cafes, acai bowl businesses, juice trucks, and the like. Early invitation, press the thumbs up button, also known as the like button. It'll support you, supports the channel. Make sure that you see these videos when they come out. Thank you for doing that. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. That way you get alerted when we release new content, because you don't want to miss this valuable information, I am sure. Now we're going to dive in. So you've got a juice business and you are making tons of juice. One thing that it's important to know philosophically, just as you're running any business, ask yourself, what is your product and what is your byproduct? Because whenever you're processing something, you always have byproducts. There's all kinds of things that you do that are valuable that you don't realize. And it's not just juice pulp. This is an example I'm going to give you. I'm going to focus on that today. But it's good to ask yourself questions of what are the things that you are creating just through the mere process of running your business that are valuable potentially to other people. You might even have internal documents that you've created as a byproduct of you educating your staff, for example, that could also be valuable to your customers that you can sell. Right? There's all manner of things that you will create as a product and a byproduct of the creation of your core offering. So I just want to plant that seed, because that's shifted my way of thinking when it comes to business, and ask myself, what are the things that are valuable that I might not see that are valuable? Pulp is one of those examples. Most people just throw their pulp in the trash. It's a valuable resource. Now, other people might turn that pulp into, could be dog biscuits. We just did a recipe for a client for some dog biscuits. Could be crackers, right? You could use it in the crust of a raw dessert or pie. There's a lot of places you can use your pulp, but you have to make sure that you are capturing it, and then you have proper recipes, and that can be the difficult part. So obviously, if you guys do need support with this is something our team can help you with. You can reach out to me personally, Andrew at StartAJuiceBar.com. But all in all, you want to be thinking about, hey, what do we do with this? Because the good news is, if you create something like crackers or dog biscuits, the shelf life on those are very long. You might end up with more than you could even use, right? And it might be a matter of just adding some spices, and then maybe you even end up taking those crackers and distributing them. But you're going to need a dehydrator, depending on the route that you take, a dehydrator or oven. In order to dehydrate is usually the easier option for a juice bar, so you don't get into having to actually have an oven, and maybe then you need a hood, or who knows what your local health department might require. But dehydrator is the simpler option. But you're going to want to think about that, because you're going to need to have a reasonable amount of space if you're going to be dehydrating a lot of crackers or a lot of dog biscuits or whatever it is. But the good news is, you're selling juice now, and then you have another product that can be even distributed online to local retailers in other spaces, just because you have this resource that has value. And granted, most likely you're not going to have a cracker that's all pulp. You are going to have to add other things to it. It could be flax seeds or buckwheat or something else, chia seeds, but it does create another added value for your business. So I just wanted to plant this seed right now, because some of you guys may have been thinking about it. You might not have even thought about it yet, but be aware that your pulp is a valuable resource, and you're going to want to think about your process for capturing that. Even if you don't sell it and you use your pulp for compost, that's good for the soil, it's good for the earth. Maybe you want to call a local farm and see if they want to pick up your pulp from you, but it's valuable. So just to throw it in the trash, you still might have more than you can use. To be honest, it's oftentimes hard for people who haven't had these businesses to understand how much pulp you're talking about, because could be hundreds of pounds on a weekly basis. But if you do have a plan and a strategy to utilize that, that's the message for today. Hope this was valuable, just in shifting your consciousness and to think about the pulp. Like I said, if you guys do need help with that, reach out to me personally, Andrew at StartAJuiceBar.com. If you guys have not pressed the like button yet, you know that you want to. Do not resist the urge. Do it. Thank you. subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. Follow us on iTunes and Spotify if you like podcasts, the Juice Bar Experts podcast. And then lastly, Instagram, exclusive giveaways and content that we only release there. So you definitely want to follow us on Instagram at StartAJuiceBar. Until next time, hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're happy. Hope you're healthy. And I look forward to seeing you at the next video. Take care. Hope you guys have been enjoying the video content. If you are inspired to launch your juice business, but you're not exactly sure what steps to take, for you, we've created a free ebook, 15 Steps to Starting a Juice Business from Scratch. This is going to give you a high-level overview of everything you need to do from where you are now all the way to opening your business. Now, if you want to go even deeper, we've created an online course, the Juice Bar Master Blueprint. This is going to go into great detail into every aspect of starting your business, everything from branding to menu development to finding the right location, the equipment that you need, and so much more, all the way to launching your business. There's links for both of these in the description below. I know you're going to find a lot of value out of them. As always, hope you guys are happy and healthy, wishing you a lot of success, and I'll see you at the next video.